This type of animal haircut AI video is trending a lot right now, and you can grow your channel by uploading this kind of content. In this video, I'll show you step by step how you can create this type of video for free. So let's get started. First, open ChatGPT. Then click on the two lines at the top. After that, go to the Apps section. Now click on GPTs at the top and search for Animal Haircut Generator. Once you find it, click on it and press Start Chat. Then send the message Start to ChatGPT. After that, just type the name of any animal you want to create a video for. For example, I'll type cat. Now ChatGPT will give you both an image prompt and a video prompt. To generate the image and video, simply copy the image prompt, go to Google and search for Google Flow. After that, click on that website. If you are logging in on your phone for the first time, then it will ask you to log in. You can log in with your Gmail. Then click on Create with Flow. After that, you will see an interface like this. Here, go to New Project. Then you will get an option at the bottom to enter a prompt. Here, you have to paste the image prompt that you copied from ChatGPT. Then click on Nano Banana 2. Set the image ratio to 9:6 and click on Run. Then your image will start generating. It will take some time. My image has been generated. Now it's time to convert it into a video. For that, go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, then come back to Google Flow. Now press on the image and click on Add to Prompt. Then paste the video prompt here. Then click on Nano Banana 2 again, select the video section, and click on Run. As soon as you click on Run, your video will start generating. Mine is also done. So as you can see, my video has been generated. Let me play it once and show you. So you saw how good the video turned out? Do let me know in the comments how you liked it. And yes, give this video a nice like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.